Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Facebook language in PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to change your Facebook account language, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and now in your browser just open Facebook. And now in Facebook just click on your profile photo at the top right, and then you'll see the option of settings and privacy. Just click on it and then click on language. Just click on language here. Now here, just click on language or Facebook language. Here you can see you will find your selected Facebook language, or you can also select view all settings to view all language settings. So just select account language, and from here you can easily select your account language. You can select English UK, English US, and any of language you preferred. Or you can also search for any language here. So let's say I'm gonna search Persian. You can also search French or Francis, which you want to. So in this way, you can easily change your Facebook language on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.